Say hi. What the fuck? Everybody say hi, hi.
This MTV. What?
Welcome to my crib. Firestar is dead.
What? What the fuck, dude? What's happening? What's going on? What you making? I'm just cooking shallots. Shallots with what? Oil.
Oh, this is enough to.
What do we got here?
We got Jamaican patty man, and then we got fucking lumpia ices.
Fuck? Wait, where are they?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? What?
The camp. This is gonna be a fun one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Hanukkah.
Look at that guy.
So good, bro. I'm so scared. The survivor in the horror movie, bro. You're the one with the camera.
Shut up.
No, because he has the camera. Someone has to.
No, but he's gonna. It's gonna be the scene where like the camera drops.
Oh, no, that's the end, bro.
There's a line.
I don't try to fall for her touch, and I'm thinking of the way it was. Said I'm fine, said I moved on. I'm only here passing time in her arms, hoping I'll find a glimpse of us.
If you tell me in the morning that you want me in the morning, I'll be there, it's not a thing. But if you tell me in the morning that you want me in the morning, wonder if you heard a thing. I told you not to trust me, I'm no good, I'm here for lust, I'll leave you now, it's not a thing. Don't trust me, I'm the one who wants to see your teeth. And don't believe what I tell you when I'm on my knees. Still, I could never tell you
Damn,
all.
okay. What the fuck?
Your ignorance too warm to
What
solve.
What's this shit?
Don't trust me, I'm the one who
What
wants
the
to
fuck
see
is
your
happening
teeth.
on this shit again?
Water breathing. First
What I
floor.
tell you when I'm on my knees. Don't trust me. I'm the one who wants to see your teeth. What I tell you when I'm on my knees. Don't trust me.
There's enough wreck because not
I'm the
everyone
one
can.
who wants to see your teeth. Don't believe what I tell you when I'm on.
You suck.
What I said? Yeah, jiggle it, jiggle it.
Jiggle it like what?
Duck shake. Do the duck shake. Ain't no way, dog.
I swear it can shine as bright as you. I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance. I'm ready. Oh, it's what you do.
Rewind.
Oh, it's what you do to me.
Hey, close it, close it.
I think the log is killing you, dog.
No, it's burning.
Yes, I'm recording.
Wait, please.
Just turn
Yo,
on
Mike.
You fucking idiot.
Oh my.
Fucking no.
Suck it up, suck it.
Vape it, vape it.
Go, do a trick, do a trick. Don't put it on by the.
What's wrong? You've been asking, but I don't have an answer. How come
thinking, let's pretend to fall asleep now. When we get old, will we regret?
Oh my god! What the fuck did I just hear?
And stalling only goes so far when you've got a head start. We can stay at home or watch the sunset, but I can't help from asking, are you bored yet? And if you're feeling lonely, you should tell me before this ends up as another memory. Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie?
Look at the homie.
Gene knows.
I might start beating people up again.
Where we're going, but I like to be by your side. If you could tell me how you're feeling, maybe we get through this undefeated. Holding on for so long.
Usually gibberish is gibberish, but I don't know, for some reason it's gibberish.
That's us in the Discord call, bro, unironically.
Good ass eggs. Let's go. Boy. Ooh, oh my god, the camping experience. You found that at the camp? 3 days of foraging for this. Let's fucking go. Alright.
Everyone just fell for that.
Oh my! Wait.
Okay, okay.
Ooh, that. Two, one. The boys!
Yeah.
That's why I take it out.
You guys want to burn the plates?
Bro, that looks like a fucking.
Burn the plates?
That shit looks like a picture of hell, bro. Like,
Yeah,
when you zoom in.
exactly.